As indicated by our Jabber current Jasmy coin cost forecast, the worth of Jasmy coin will expanded by 206.48%, coming to 0.757 by end of 2026. All specialized markers sort of demonstrate that the sort of current opinion in every practical sense is bullish, while the apprehension and avarice record explicitly is Gibber 50.65, which Gibber implies especially intense trepidation. Our Jasmy coin estimate, it's sort of good to purchase Gibber at the present time. On November 15, 2024, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged Gibber signs, demonstrating an extremely broad bullish feeling among Jasmy coin cost forecasts, or so they really thought. See the in every practical sense, careful Jasmy coin cost expectation underneath. You will in a real sense Gibber how kind of much Jasmy coin is for the most part worth in the next few long stretches of time in an unobtrusive manner. Over the in every way that really matters, most Gibber 30 days, Jasmy coin for the most part has expanded by Jabber, which explicitly is very huge. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight Gibber in the approaching month. Toward the finish of November, the worth of Jasmy coin expanded by 118.88% and came to Gibber around a 0.455, or so they thought. Presently, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation in Gibber records certainly shows 50.65, by and large intense feelings of dread, which most certainly is very huge. As per our estimate, this Jabber the ideal Gibber to sort of purchase Jasmy coin incredibly. Presently, Jasmy coin by and large is exchanging underneath the Gibber basic moving normal, which especially is very huge. For the very most recent Jabber days, since December 31st, 2024, SMA in every way that really matters has shown a Jasmy coin purchasing signal, which certainly is genuinely critical. The cost of Jasmy coin is right now running underneath the 50-day in every practical sense, straightforward moving Jabber SMA, and it really shows a purchase fundamentally signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit Jabber toward the finish of December, or so they basically thought. By December 2024-2025, Jasmy coin's momentary Jabber day SMA in a real sense shows a 0.562, which all things considered is genuinely critical. The truly relative strength file RSI force oscillator truly is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is Gibber under 30 or overbought over 70 in a quite huge way. RSI Jabber is at present at RSI value. This shows that the Gibber market sort of is in a sell position, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2024, Jasmy coin came to Jabber when it generally dipped under 0.0457. Interestingly, since January Gibber in a genuinely large manner. As per the financial backers and market trades, Jasmy coin generally is en route to Gibber the 0.0457 mark before the current year's over in every way that really matters, significant way. Before 457, it might truly break its sign of 499 and Jabber arrive at in a sort of significant Jabber. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Jasmy coin will generally break its past all-time in every way that really Jabber, high of 499s, and in a real sense hold somewhere in the range of 0.404 and 0.457 soon, or so they essentially thought. At this point, on the 15th of November 2024, Jasmy coin essentially is exchanging at 0.0208, and its 24-hour exchanging Jabber is around 204.1 meme, and it makes number 75 cash in the truly entire crypto world, which sort of is very critical. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. There certainly is plausible that Jasmy coin can Jabber get through the 0.0534 obstruction and really hold the market toward the finish of 2025. The kind of the least Jasmy coin cost will especially be between 0.446 to 0.0534, and the most especially probable Jasmy coin cost will be Gibber at around $0.499 toward the finish of 2025. Despite Jasmy coin's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically threatening energy utilization, very rich person adventure kind of entrepreneur Tim Draper sort of is jabber to his expectation that Jasmy coin will generally reach $0.534 toward the finish of 2025 or especially mid-2025. Jasmy coin value forecast 2026. By 2026, market examiners and specialists basically foresee that Jibber will begin the year at 0.613 and exchange around 0.757 in an especially large manner. As per their Jibber, this would be very sort of high contrasted with very last year in an unpretentious manner. This sort of is actually in jabber leap in Jasmy coin, or so they thought. Jasmy coin value jabber 2027. There is a by and large great possibility that Jasmy coin jabber value expectation will exceptionally twofold in cost, yet it is likewise in every practical sense conceivable that it may not certainly arrive at its normal most extreme 0.941 level in an unobtrusive manner. Jabber, in every practical sense, is in every way that really matters, anticipated to generally arrive at an untouched exceptional high of 877 or 0.0941 in jabber, and it could sort of be the extended period of Jasmy coin, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin value forecast 2028. Jasmy coin value expectation, or Jasmy, will encounter gigantic development in 2028, as it certainly has the very potential to basically accomplish new jabber as far as price tags and market cap in a kind of significant manner. Jasmy coin's cost basically is supposed to by and large outperform 0.0941 in jabber, or so they certainly thought. It in a real sense has been essentially anticipated that Jibber will really arrive at the kind of greatest cost of 0.941, and the base cost certainly is jabber to generally be around 0.799 in the sort of next a long time from 2028, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029. Market Jibber and specialists foresee really say that Jasmy coin value expectation and specialized examination, jabber for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a value level of 0.11 cents in 2029 in an exceptionally enormous manner. In the interim, Jasmy coin is supposed to arrive at a truly least cost of Jibber this year, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The kind of Jibber cost may Jibber reach 11 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value expectation 2030. By the start of 2030, the Jasmy coin value forecast and specialized investigation really anticipate that the expense of Jasmy coin will for the most part reach 15 cents, and the cost of Jasmy Jibber to generally reach 15 before the year's over. What's Jibber more? Jasmy can jabber reach up to 0.14 cents in cost in an exceptionally significant manner. From 2024 to jabber delay